Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to Capital One mobile app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore access to the Capital One mobile app, the first step is to launch the app on your device. If you're unable to log in, tap on the Forgot Username or Password link. You will be prompted to enter your details, such as your last name, social security number, and date of birth. After entering the requested information, tap Continue. You might receive a verification code sent to your register. Check your email or SMS for the code. Once you have the code, return to the app and enter it in the designated field. If successful, you will be directed to reset your password. Create a new, strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password and tap on Submit. After resetting your password, go back to the main login screen. Enter your username and newly created password. Tap Login to access your account. If you forgot your username, tap the Forgot Username link instead. You will need to provide the same personal information. Once you receive your username, head back to the login screen. Enter both your username and password, then tap Login. If you still encounter issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can sometimes resolve any glitches or bugs in the software. After reinstalling, open the app and retry logging in with your credentials. For ongoing issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service for assistance. They can provide further guidance or resolve any account-specific problems you may have. Make sure to have your account information ready for verification. After receiving help, try logging in once more to ensure you have access restored. Following these steps should help you gain access to your Capital One mobile app again. If you continue to experience problems, stay diligent and reach out for support as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.